have to turn all the way up. That's some pressure, dude. Holy smokes. I actually saw a spark for a second.
Yeah.
While you're demoing.
Don't worry about that.
Okay. The box sparked somewhere in there. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Still see your face all the time.
Your space, I can tell to fit the cubic space in here, man.
I had to. There's no other way I could do it to get what I wanted.
Yeah. Wow. These are 15s, I'm gonna say.
Yeah. Pure audio 4Xs.
What are they rated at?
I'm putting way more than what they're supposed to.
Really? Yeah. Were they a 2,000 RMS sub or?
They're around 2,000.
Nice. So, well, what's your name and what's in here just for the video? Go ahead, man.
I'm Jeremy Mims. They call me Mimsy. I got 615s, 6 AKs on each, or an AK on each one.
An AK on each?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
And then about 190 amp hours worth of Siemens.
Okay. A lot of doors, speakers. Wow. Your doors are heavy. Did you build this? Nice work, man.
Can't afford to pay nobody.
Yeah, it's expensive labor, man. Nice. Have you done any SPL on it?
I did it when I had the 3 AKs in here. And I did a 61.3 at 35 hertz. That's good. But
under 40, wow.
Get the meter with those 6.
Yeah. So you've upgraded since. Do you know your port tuning at all? Or?
My box is tuned to 27 hertz.
27. Likes the lid and everything. Okay, awesome. Thanks, nice to meet you, man.
You too, boss.
I'm gonna go look at the amps in the back. They're all open, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I see underneath the hood? Nice. Thank you for showing me. Are these 320 or 360s or
320s?
320s, guys. Oh, snot out my nose. Are these that 1 ohm? What are your amps wired to?
0.6.
0.6 ohm, okay. So like 1.2 coils or?
They're anywhere from 1.2.
And then this is sealed, so when it rains, this is closed.
Yeah,
you don't. Looks good.
Appreciate it.
Nice. Does the back doors have anything behind them I can see?
It's ugly as hell back there.
Just so I can kind of see the space on it. There you go. Nice. How many cubics did you get out of the box?
I want to say it's like 21.
21?
Yeah.
It's pretty good for, you really optimized it. Nice. Thank you for showing me, man. Going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of Jeremy's system. This was showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2023 TDH show. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know you like about his system. Really impressive to see how much power these subwoofers were handling with an 8,000 watt amp on each of these. Notice the top port, so he kind of optimized his space to fit 6 15-inch subs in here. Normally you would only fit 4, but he fit 6, which was really crazy on the amount of power he has pushing. I really like the way he has his amplifier rack staged in the back, so that way he has to worry about any kind of vibration issues and optimizing his amount of space for the enclosure in the truck. Normally, I would only see 4 15-inch subs fit in a truck like this, but he fit 6 15-inch subs on a total of 48,000 watts on the subwoofer power end. During the demo, I could definitely tell that these door speaker pods that he had set up on the doors between the mid-ranges and the tweeters were really high quality. I actually could hear the lyrics during the bass, so it wasn't all bass. The mic may distort because of the pressure, but it was really nice, clean, crisp sound. So we're going to go ahead and get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
Testicles sounds like testicles, but it's used to. There go. Let's shoot. Used to. There go. Let's shoot. Let's shoot.
Man, you must have turned all the way up. That's some pressure, dude. Holy smokes.
It does alright.
Wow. Yeah, dude, I like it, man. Did you build this? Nice job. Wow. You really optimized your space. I could tell to fit the cubic space in here, man.
I had to. There's no other way I could do it to get what I wanted.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Thanks. Nice to meet you, man.
You too, boss.
I'm gonna go look at the amps in the back. They're all open, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for the demo. That was pretty crazy. I actually saw a spark for a second
Yeah.
while you were demoing.
Don't worry about that.
Okay. The box sparked somewhere in there.